Once you bend it like this, you are going to use your mirror to remove the eye contact lenses. So just like this. Welcome to another interesting video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can remove your eye contact lenses easily using the cutting ball that you know. That sounds somehow, right? Yes, you can use your cutting ball to remove your eye contact lenses easily without no stress. Before then, in my previous video, I show you guys how you can put on your eye contact lenses easily as a beginner. So if you have not watched that video, I'm going to leave it here or here. Ensure you watch that video so that you can know how you can wear your eye contact lenses easily as a beginner. So if that sounds like what you'll be interested in, which I know it's what is interested to you, let's get into the video. So guys, you are going to use this cutting ball. This is it. This is how it looks like. This is what is a cutting ball, in case you don't know what is a cutting ball, the way they used to do here. So I'm going to bend it together like this, just like this. You bend it. When you bend it, you hold it from here and you use your mirror to remove the eye. Once you bend it like this, you are going to use your mirror to remove the eye contact lenses. So just like this, you hold it. You need to be very careful because this is the eye. It's already coming out. It's already coming out. And voila, this is it. You put it in the case you want to put it and drop it. Then the second one, we're also going to use the same method and use our mirror to remove it. This one was very easy. So this is it. You can see that it's very easy to remove from your eyes. So I'm just going to drop it in the case. So guys, that is just how you can use the cutting board to remove your eye contact lenses easily without stress. No stress at all. You can use your hands to remove it, but I prefer using the cutting board. So if you have long nails or you don't have long nails, like now I don't have nails, but if you have long nails, the best option I would advise to you is to use the cutting board to remove your eye contact lenses. It will be very easy for you. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tricks like this. And if you have not watched my previous video, please do well to watch them, as you also find them interesting. So if you're eye contact brand, you're looking for someone to help review your eye contact lenses, to help you to promote your eye contact lenses, don't forget to reach me with the email in my description. So from me to you, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.